Hello and welcome to Cooking with Megha. Today we will see how to make paneer burji. This recipe is very easy and very tasty also. So let's start making paneer burji. For this we will require 1 capsicum, 1 tomato, 3 green chili, 1 inch ginger, onion, spring onion, some coriander. In one bowl I have taken half spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of chili powder, 1 spoon of cumin powder and half spoon of coriander powder. 100 grams of grated paneer, some oil, salt according to taste, cumin and mustard seeds for tempering. Heat 2 spoons of oil in a pan. Now add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Cook them until they crackle. Now add grated ginger and chopped green chili and saute them nicely. After few minutes we will add onions. We will also add green capsicum and we will saute them for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Now add spring onion and tomato and mix this mixture again. All the vegetables are nicely cooked. Now we will add all the dry spices and will cook for another few minutes. Add grated paneer and salt according to taste and mix this mixture nicely. After few minutes, our paneer burji will be ready. Now add coriander and give it a nice stir. Our paneer burji is ready to serve. You can eat paneer burji with roti or paratha. If you like this recipe, please like and share. And for more interesting recipes, subscribe to my channel Cooking with Megha.